Previously on How to Make Money on Tour.
Westbound till I smell salty water, 6 strings and the beer roll in the back.
And now, episode 3.
Work every day. So you're not on holidays. When we're on tour, we're working every single day. We're sending out Facebook messages, we're promoting the next show, we're trying to book the next show, we're doing radio interviews. This whole time that we're on tour, we're working.
You're not going to the zoo or to get ice cream, although those things are very fun. That's not what touring is all about. Unless you're Dave Grohl or maybe Michael Bublé, he probably gets ice cream every day. Love you, Michael.
Put on a great show. Your waitress, Molly, even though she's the only one in the room, she still wants to see a good show. So make sure you put on a good show.
She's got to be there all night listening to your shitty music. So at least put some effort into the show.
Hopefully your music's not shitty. We played a lot of shows where there was only 2, 3, 4, or 5 people that showed up. And it was a little underwhelming for us, but at the same time, it didn't get us down. We played as hard as we could. We played with as much passion as we always do. And that helped us book another gig, maybe at that location on a better night.
Meet everyone who shows up early.
If they showed up early, they're probably in the wrong spot.
Just go out and introduce yourselves. Thank them for supporting live music. Maybe they are lost and they weren't planning on supporting live music at all, but
now they know there's music.
And then they might stay because you're nice dudes. Yep. Introduce your band or describe your sound in maximum 3 bands. We actually used Red Hot Chili Peppers and Foo Fighters. Don't use a band like a grunge band that only 1,000 people ever saw. If you can use Nirvana, use Nirvana instead. That's why we use Red Hot Chili Peppers and Foo Fighters. Every time we say that,
know those bands.
Yes, some people know those bands. If you guys found this video helpful, please share it, subscribe below, click this link right here. It should take you to our Patreon. I will see you again shortly.